With that, we'll take it over to Jackson Host.
Fierce fans, this is your main event. This fight is sponsored by Autolocity Motors and is a professional featherweight bout scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. And when the fight begins, the referee in charge will be Tyler Tomlinson. Now, one more time, I need everybody tuning into the pay-per-view and everybody here at Bonneville High School in Ogden, Utah, from the upper seats to the table seats, all the way down to cage side. Put your hands together and make some noise!